I am not sure if you have experienced this in your life. The feeling to put tasks away for another time. The very moment we have a long to do list to complete, instead of focusing on those tasks in our list, we end up scrolling the phone, reorganizing our desks, watching some things on TV, or doing anything else other than what we are expected to do. Yes, I am talking about procrastination. It is not laziness as we might think. It is actually a mix of psychology, habits, and mindset. In today's video, I plan to break down why we procrastinate, and more importantly, how can we beat it with very simple and practical steps. Before getting into the details, please subscribe to the channel if you have not done it so far to receive similar contents. If you like the content, please like and share the video for wider reach. Do not hesitate to add your comments. Now let us look at why do we procrastinate. We procrastinate because our brain loves comfort. When a task we think as overwhelming, boring, or uncertain, our brain tells us, no, let us do something easier. That is why we feel the sudden urge to clean our room or watch TV or go back to our phone instead of focusing on a task that we consider as difficult or a bit boring. Another big reason is perfectionism. We delay starting because we want things to be done in a very perfect manner. But waiting for the perfect moment is another form of procrastination. Please remember, procrastination is not about being lazy. It's about avoiding discomfort. Now let us look at the cost that we pay for procrastination. As you all know, procrastination steals our valuable time. It adds stress, lowers performance, and makes us all feel guilty. Think about it. How many times have we spent more energy worrying about a task than actually doing it? This is the hidden task of procrastination that we play. Now, since we have understood a little bit about procrastination, now let us look at what are some of the practical things or practical steps that we can take to beat procrastination. I would like to talk about 7 simple strategies that have helped me and that I used to practice to beat procrastination. The first strategy is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Reply to that email, wash that cup, or send the message that we need to send. Small wins build momentum, which can be used for doing bigger things. The second strategy is to break it down. Big tasks can seem or make us feel very scary. So break them into smaller, tiny parts. Instead of writing in your to-do list, write a report, break it down into smaller parts. Like, let us complete the 2 paragraphs of a report or list down the structure of a report. Similarly, cut down or break the bigger task into smaller parts and which can be completed and give ourselves support when small tasks are completed. The third strategy that I would like to talk about is time blocking. Set a 25 minutes timer. Work with good focus during that period of time. Then take a break for 5 minutes. It tricks our brain to start because we are only committing to a short period of focused attention. The fourth strategy that I would like to talk about is removing temptations. We need to identify our temptations or distractions. It can be the phone, It can be the TV, it can be the noise that is coming from outside. First, identify what are some of the things that could distract us from focused work. You can keep it away or stay away from those distractions. As they say, out of sight, out of mind. Fifth point or a strategy that I would like to talk about is reward yourself. Give a small treat after finishing each task. It can be a cup of coffee, listening to music that you like, or even a quick walk or a body stretch. Experience the feel-good effect of productivity. In most of the time, do not go to a reward system that could be coming from a distractor. Please be careful about that. Sometimes the breaks that you get through a distracting element could make you committed to that instead of coming back to the task that you are focusing on. The sixth strategy that I would like to talk about is change the environment. Sometimes procrastination is about energy. And this energy boost can come from moving to a different spot or a different environment. It can be a cafe, it can be a library, or even another room in your own house. A fresh experiment can always reset our energy and focus. The seventh strategy that I would like to talk about is self-compassion. Don't be a harsh judge. Everyone procrastinates. The key is to be aware of this habit. Forgive yourself and restart. Progress is better than punishing yourself and being guilty about it. Now, let us conclude with our key points. Procrastination is not laziness or a character flaw. It's a habit, and habits can be changed. Start small, use these strategies, and remember, actions create motivation, not the other way around. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe the channel for more practical tips like these and share them with someone who is stuck in a procrastination mode. Please remember to add your comments or strategies that you use to beat procrastination. If you need support in managing procrastination, please do reach out. Our contact details are in the video description below.